FARO BuildIT Projector 2020.5. What's new? FARO BuildIT Projector 2020.5 provides several powerful new features. These include simple remote control. FARO BuildIT Projector 2020.5 introduces a new remote control app accessible from any Android, iOS, or Windows mobile device, allowing users to control the projection layers directly next to their tool, minimizing the need of going back to the computer. Curve chain. When adding objects to a FARO BuildIT projection plan, previously you only had the option to individually select curves. In FARO BuildIT Projector 2020.5, you now have the option to select a chain of curves, where all curves connected to the selected curve will be added to the collection. Recall IP address and alignment. In BuildIT Projector, users can assign IP addresses to specific projector names. When connecting to the projector, the IP address associated with that name will be stored and recalled. Additionally, users now have the option to automatically recall the previous alignment for a specific projector name so that when connected, the alignment will be updated. Multiple alignment points. BuildIT Projector now allows for multiple sets of alignment points. With the points added to the projection plan, simply select the points and create an alignment group. Rename the alignment group to the desired name. Select the current group and set it as active. This group will be used when the alignment command is launched. Feature hint. When aligning to features, it may be that multiple features are found in the scan. Users now have the option to provide an assist point by clicking the correct location. The system will reprocess the image and update the detected point. We're confident you'll find the new features of FARO BuildIT Projector 2020.5 to be helpful and powerful.